Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our exercise 8 and 9. Before starting the exercise, I am going to explain some properties of addition. First one is order property of addition. For example, if 3 plus 7 equal 10 and 7 plus 3 is also 10. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 3. This is called the order property. The sum of two numbers does not change when the order of the addend is changed. This is called the order property of addition in numbers. Grouping property of addition. For example, you can see the equation 3 plus 7 is under the bracket and outside the bracket 6 is given there. That means 10 plus 6 equals 16. Same thing with second equation. So first equation equal to second equation. So the conclusion is that the sum of three or more numbers does not change even when their grouping is changed. This is called the grouping property of addition in numbers. Additive property of 0. It is very simple. We know that the sum of number and 0 is the number itself. This is called the additive property of 0. That means 7 plus 0 is 7 and 0 plus 7 is also 7. Now we are going to start our exercise. Question number 1. Here, look at this. First and second questions are shows the order property. Third question is shows that grouping property of addition. Fourth and fifth is also shows grouping property of addition. 6, 7, 8. It shows the additive property of 0. Now we are going to start our next exercise, that is word sum. First question is Rajiv purchased a sofa set and a dining cost rupees 36,875 and rupees 87,365 respectively. How much money he has to pay in all? So here is the answer. Cost of sofa set rupees 36,875. Cost of dining set rupees 87,365. We have to plus both the number and our answer is 1,24,240. In an examination, 75,974 students passed. If the number of failures will be 27,797, find the numbers of students who appeared in the examination. You have to find the total number of students. So our answer will be number of students passed, number of students failed. Now total number of students will add both the numbers and our answer is 1,03,771. Question number 3. A number exceeds 2,48,555 by 17,645. What is that number? You have to find that number. So the given number is 2,48,555 and exceeds by 17,645. So that number will be, we have to plus both the number and the answer will be 2,66,200. Kamal purchased a plot of land for rupees 65,780. He spent rupees 9,870 for leveling the plot and rupees 1,37,560 on the construction. You have to find the total cost. So here is the answer. Cost of plot he spent for leveling, spent for construction. So total cost will be 2,13,210. Please write down in your copy and arrange in column and add also. In a certain year, 3 sugar factories produce 38,947, 47,98 and 93,907 bags of sugar respectively. How many bags is all were produced by these factories? Again, we have to add all the numbers. Production of sugar bags in first year, production of sugar bags in second year and production of bags in 3 years. You have to add all the numbers and answer will be 1,79,952. Here I am giving you how to write it. Please in every question arrange in column and add. Don't write the direct answer. Question number 6 is the population of 4 blocks in a colony are 27,835, 35,947, 47,608 and 19,418 respectively. What is the total population of the colony? So here is our answer. Population of first block, population of second block, population of third block and population of fourth block. Add all the numbers. Please arrange in column and add. Here I am going to give you direct answer. So our answer is 1,30,808. In an election, there were four candidates. They received 39,456, 24,947, 8,698, and 978 votes, respectively. If 2,367 votes were found invalid, how many votes in all were polled? That means how many people have given the votes. So you have to add all four numbers, even five numbers. So, first candidate votes, second candidate votes, third candidate's votes, fourth candidate votes, and number of invalid votes. So, total number of polled votes is 76,446. So, here you can see I have arranged all the five numbers and add. So, write down in your copy and try to do the addition by yourself. Ajay's income during the year 2011 was rupees 1,67,489. Next year, his income increased by rupees 1,798. What was his income in the year 2012 and how much did he earn in these 2 years? Here, two questions you have to attempt. First, you have to find the income of 2012 and after that, total income of 2 years. So you can see the answer. His income in 2011 was, and in 2012 his income increased by. So both the number will have to plus. So we get find the income in 2012, that is 2,06,287. Now his total income in 2 years will be both the number 2011 income and 2012 incomes will have to plus. So our answer will be 3,73,776. In a particular year, the male population of a city was 37,989 more than the female population. Listen carefully, more than the female population. It is not the population of male. If the number of female be 1,48,796, what was the male population? And what was the total population in that year? So first, you have to find the number of male population. Number of female population, that is given. So number of more males will be 37,989. So we have to plus number of female and the more male numbers. So we have to plus that and we get the answer 1,86,785. That is the number of male population. Now total population, number of male population and number of female population. So answer will be 3,35,581 is the total population. Read the question carefully, question number 10, and write the answer by yourself in your copy. Solve it properly.